facts now in Chennai, residents staying at housing units in the KP Park are going through a harrowing time. In fact, nearly 2,000 houses built during the AIADMK government's tenure are in shambles. The quality of the houses are substandard and the plaster and cement coat can be seen falling off constantly. Now, the residents over here say they fear staying inside the house due to the poor condition of the buildings and are being told by the State Housing Board to pay a cough up around 1.5 lakh rupees for being allocated the house. Mirror Now's Mugilan gets us this report.
In the new building complex which was built by the Tamil Nadu Housing Board at the cost of more than 250 crores. In this complex, it was built in two phases, that is between 2018 to 2021. This 1,920 houses was built and each individual unit cost more than 14 lakh rupees. And individual unit means one hall, a bedroom, a toilet and a kitchen, and this was built by the Tamil Nadu state government for the slum dwellers. And even the allotment has been made. A few people have already occupied this residence, but now what has come under question is the build quality. The occupants of this building accused that there is a substandard building quality has been built. Even a gentle rub in this building, you can see the plaster and the cement are coming off from the building is what we are hearing, and this you can see the visuals also. Very gentle rub on the wall. You can see everything comes down. So even if some construction activity happens near to this residence, there are all possibilities that the entire building might come down, and they also seek the government's interference in this. And we have seen in last 2 days the DMK ministers have come and inspected, and they have also said that they will be constituting a committee with IIT members, and following that study they will be taking the next course of action. But the residents here, they demand the government's interference, and they say that there should be a quality in building when building the housing complexes in near future.
Building quality வந்து ரொம்ப மோசமா இருக்குது. ஆக்சுவலா என்னன்னா சும்மா இப்படி கையை வச்சாலே எல்லாம் சிமெண்ட் எல்லாமே கொட்டிடுது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது பக்கத்தில் எதனா ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு பில்டிங் கட்டும் போது அவங்க கான்கிரீட் எதனா போட்டாங்கன்னா இந்த சினிமாலெல்லாம் இந்த மௌலி வாக்கமில் விழுந்தது பாருங்கள் பில்டிங், அந்த மாதிரி விழுந்துடும். இது இந்த பில்டிங் வந்து குவாலிட்டியே கிடையாது. நீங்களே பார்த்தீங்களே இப்போ கையை வச்சா எல்லாமே கொட்டுது. ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ப்ரீவியஸாக இந்த கவர்மெண்ட் பீரியடில் தான் இது கட்டியிருக்காங்க.
We also spoke with the DMK MLA Paranthaman, who raised the issue in the assembly. In fact, he said that the contractor should be blacklisted if found guilty, and criminal proceedings must be initiated against O. Paneerselvam, who was the housing board minister when the units were constructed.
Now, consider blacklisting this particular contractors.
Definitely, I have made my submission in the floor that whatever the construction made during the AIADMK regime in the last 10 years, either the public or the government buildings, all has to be testified now. Now the government has to take steps to test all those buildings, whether the building has been constructed with the proper norms. As you rightly said that in Viluppuram, the check dam has been washed away in a single rain. And in Namakkal also, a hospital building was also fell on. And in a road project bridge has been constructed in Madurai, during that inauguration itself, and the bridge has been also fell down. So there are so many examples that AIADMK government construction has been put into a poor manner. So if the contractor, whoever it may be, either this contractor or any other contractor who are constructed all those items, it is a time for the government to blacklist them. Definitely the government will take an action.